What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you guys my new Lego Rebel Crossing, and I can't speak today, but let's get into it. So this is the Main Street crossing of the Norfolk Southern Petersburg line. So this is at milepost 151.4. So we're just going with this crossing right here. We have a General Electric Type 2 e-bell. That lights, emergency contact information. Got the phone number is 1-800-946-4744. This is crossing 9127 UA. It does have the NS logo on it. Relay case. With this old style cantilever, emergency contact information on this signage right here. Got general signals type 2 e-bell. We got crossing gates on a separate pole. We got this very old style crossing cantilever. And it goes to these lights up top. Gates do go down. Like so. Train signals. Just like I said, you got the milepost right here. And then we have the defect detector. Hot Wheels, axle count, dragon equipment. And it does say DD 151.4 using an NGST scan, SPAR scan. So it does have this little bump at the rail, middle part, rail. They do swell. I'm going to use the vehicle to demonstrate. So let's just. It runs smoothly when you go over the tracks. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's activated. So, go. See, they length out the gate so cars don't go through the track. So this is what you're not supposed to do. So that is it. So, defect detector sounds twice after a train, and so we have this part actually going to the defect detector box. So this part going from the cones, little cones that stick up. Make sure nothing's dragging on them. If it drags, it'll flip, and then it'll hit the defect detector box. It let the train and dispatcher of the train company know, hey, let's say NS27K comes through this crossing, they got bump, dragon equipment, Pierce. Train keeps going, then it'll say critical alarm 3 times and say Norfolk Southern milepost 151.4. You know, you have a defect near axle 107. So, and then they'll find an area to stop, as long as it's not at a crossing. If it is, they're gonna have to keep going. It's like, well, we're gonna keep moving because we got some crossings we're gonna block if we stop around there. Which in this point, they won't have to worry about stopping, because after this, there's just going to be a lot of open fields, so they'll be able to walk over there. And this is a 1-track only crossing. The other tracks are south of here, going that way, which is a 2-track. So they split off, so, you know, it's whatever. So, this is looking north towards Pinesville and Port Villa. And then looking this way, we'll be going towards the yard, the Petersville yard and downtown Pinesville. So, yep. Oh, one of the antennas came off from the defect detector relay box. So this is the crossing relay box for Main Street. This is the defect detector for the train. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys did not see this video of when I made a video of my Lego car wash Soapy Suds, make sure you check that out. I'll have that video right now. If you guys want to check it out, check it up there. Come on, check it. Check it. Also, I did a lot of videos of my railroad cross, the fire department, all my Pierce fire apparatuses, and of course, I don't think I mentioned this to you guys yet, but we have a full traffic light with emergency preemption signals. These are the preemption beacon signals that notify vehicles of emergency vehicles, especially for this part too. But they both face two sides. Got a 3M flashing yellow air traffic light, Ohio style traffic signals. The traffic lights, some portions of Ohio have the back, there's black on one part, and then the yellow is facing towards exactly at the vehicle. So like this one for demonstration. Yeah. And then you have a 3M doghouse style traffic light. Doghouse is we have arrows on either side down here, and you have the main red light on top. So in this portion you have green arrow going that way. So diagonal right. And then these two lights right here are just for the road, the turn lane on this side right here. And so this is a turn straight way. So turn straight, and then you got your diagonal right turn. You should actually see the arrows. Like it. Yep. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And here is all of my other Lego stuff. You got fire department, Lincoln County Fire Department Station 20 with the two Pierce Quantums, the engine, and the ladder, aerial ladder. Got my rescue one on the right, Max 10 in the middle, and then engine 10 on the right, on the left. Pierce Velocity, Ford F450, or E350, and then we have a Pierce Arrow XT engine. The Velocity is a rescue truck. And then we have my vehicles. We have a Ohio State Highway Patrol, a unmarked NYPD vehicle, well, for Lincolnville PD. And then we got Battalion 310. And then we have this amazing Ford F250 EcoBoost, Lincoln County Sheriff's Department as well. And then this humongous, over 100 stud foot long car wash tunnel made with Bellinger, Sonny's, and used by with Simonized car wash products. And then we have this little guy right here. We have tornado sirens. We got Thunderbolt. We got Wellens. American Steel Corporations. So yeah, pretty cool. I will show you guys this in another video. Might even show this on my other YouTube channel. It's still active. It's called Warning Sirens of Kentuckiana. From there, I record sirens of Indiana, Kentucky, and fortunately, we started to do some in Ohio later, late 2020, 2022, 2021, 2022. So, you know, just stay tuned for that. Yep, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys later in another video. Bye.